Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I am here with a small haul that I did from Hobby Lobby, and I just wanted to show you guys the items that I picked up. Perhaps you haven't seen them before, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. The first thing that I bought, I seen on her Instagram is Messy Bun, and she posted that she posted a few things, but this is one of the items that I found that was on her post, and I found this super cute fabric. It's like the Paper Studio line, and this was 30% off. I don't recall how much regular price is, but this was 30% off, so I picked up a yard, I believe, of this fabric. Let me just see right here. Put the name of it. Hold on, sometimes they have the name of the fabric where the cutout is. Right here. So, it is B91 Cafe Brother Sister Design Studio. So, I guess that's the name of this particular one here. So, I picked up a yard of this fabric, and then I also picked up this. Look at how super cute this is, you guys. This is brand new. I haven't seen this before, and it says it's a planner case, and I got this half off, and they were unloading, I guess, the truck, and they had all the new items in a cart, and this was the only one that was in the cart. They didn't even put it out yet, so I grabbed it. Normal price is $34.99, which is kind of, expensive for a planner case, but it was 50% off, so I said, why not? And it's by the Paper Studio, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what's inside. So there's these plastic compartments here. There's one here, and there's one here. There's two pockets on the side of it, and there is two compartments inside. So you have the back compartment here and then the front. So picked up that was really cute. And then I also picked up the new Hey Girl Paper Studio paper. This is the 12 by 12. It was half off of $19.99. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through just to show you guys what the papers look like. And this is the thicker paper, because you know how they have the thin paper sometimes with the Paper Studio. This is the thicker one, and normally the way to know that it's the thinner paper is, I believe, the one that's $14.99 is the one with the thinner paper for the 12 by 12, and then the $19.99 is the thicker cardstock. So it is one-sided, and I love the print of the papers. There's some polka dots. This one says "Get It Girl." It seems like there's like 3 each. Some mascaras. Some cutouts. Super cute. I love the cutouts. Some lippies. Some tall buildings. Yes, girl. Super cute. I love the font on here. Super pretty. Then you have your girlies here. Some tropical black and white. OMG. Some pineapples. Some crosses, I guess. Some more floral, pretty floral. There's that. There's that. This is cute. I'm so busy. And some more girlies. Floral. I love the colors in here. They're so fun and bright. And that is it. Oops. So this is called Hey Girl by the Paper Studio. And there's 60 sheets, 20 designs, 3 of each. I picked that up. And then the one thing I wanted to show you, I don't know if it's going to fit on my table, but we're going to try. At least try. And I'm super excited, you guys, because this is probably the only thing that I did not own. And so I got it. I don't know if you can see it, but I got a rolling craft bag. So this matches, they have the matching bags that come with it. Not come with it, but they do sell the matching bags, like the totes. And this is the black and white in the inside. And then there's compartments. And then it's Velcro here. And I did see this online, but they never had it in store. So what I did was I went to the store and did a rain check, and they were able to order this for me, and it was shipped to the store. Because if I had it shipped to the house, then if I were to purchase it online and have it shipped to the house, then I would have to pay for shipping costs. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and they were able to do a rain check for me and order this for me. So I love it. So this matches my bags that I have, and it looks like this. Let me see. So I have this one right here, and that's what it looks like. And it was $9.99 or $99.99, so it was $100, but it was half off. So I'm super excited. I don't have anywhere to go just as yet to go crafting, but I will use it and it will come in handy. And I love all this Hey Girl stuff, super cute. I know that there's more items that should be coming out, but this is all that I got in the last 2 weeks, you guys. I have a project share coming up soon. Hopefully after 4th of July I can finish it. But anyways, I hope everybody had a great week. Hope everybody has a wonderful and safe 4th of July. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.